Snoring isn't always harmless. Here's what your body is trying to tell you. Snoring is something most people might laugh off, but it can actually be an early warning sign. Simple snoring is caused by vibration in the airway, but if it's frequent, loud, and paired with pauses in breathing, it may actually be sleep apnea. With sleep apnea, your body literally stops breathing for short periods of time. That means less oxygen in your blood, more strain on your heart, and constant tiredness, no matter how many hours you spend in bed. The scary part is that most people don't even know they have it. It's estimated that 80% of sleep apnea patients are not diagnosed. The good news is dentists can help detect and treat some of the milder cases of sleep apnea with custom oral devices that keep your lower jaw forward and maintain the airway open. No machines or surgeries needed. Book in for a free assessment today.